Hello. In this tutorial, you will learn how to use the class search and registration function. To access this, you will navigate to your MyBGSU homepage. From there, in your Student Center, you will click on Classes and Registration. When in the Classes and Registration tile, you will notice on the left-hand side multiple options, including View My Classes, View My Schedule, Shopping Cart, Class Schedule, Add Classes, Drop Classes, Update Classes, Browse Course Catalog, Schedule Builder, and View My Books. Today, we are going to focus on the Class Schedule option. Click on Class Search. This brings you to the main search function. You'll want to ensure that your institution and term are set for Bowling Green State University and the semester and term in which you are hoping to enroll, in this case, fall semester 2020. In the Class Search function, you will use multiple options: the subject box, the course number, undergraduate course career, main campus location, course attribute value, and show open classes only. You can also narrow your search by using the additional search criteria by specifying meeting start times, end times, days of the week, instructor, course information, unit loads, session, and location. This was a basic tutorial of how to access the Search for Classes function.